Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this occasion or in this day, I would like to presentation about my best project that I ever made when in this semester one grade. But before we start, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Argani Pradana. You can call me Arga. And today I want to present to you about two of my best project. Yes, how many? For today, I will to try to present two best project you'll see. But just some information that all of this project was created in Figma, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, and then for the first project that I think is the best and my favorite project is of course this Quran UI UX of application Muslim app. So why is this the best? Because I would like this is the first time that I made an UI kit. Maybe if I would say that I have created a lot of effort creating this project Quran Go, and also I don't really use many elements for this project, but I just use simple elements and also simple color palettes, so the user that look at the prototype will not be bored after further seeing the screen. Okay. And then also for this Quran Go application, a UI application that I made, is I use a lot of reference from Pinterest. I would say you can search in UI Muslim app, or maybe other than Pinterest there is Dribble or maybe Behance for the reference, and also some of YouTube channel Muslim YouTube channel like Kajian, like example Ustadz Nuzul Zikri, Ustadz Firanda, and other more for the media that I put in here. And also, this project took me a lot of time. Well, I would say this I took around 2 weeks to create this project because I need to make it more tidy, like make the element more simple and tidy. Okay, and then this is the first screen that I made before starting it. Actually, there is one more screen. There is the Quran Go splash screen, but this is for the splash screen. So basically, all of these 3D icons that I made, I took it from Canva. Well, just a quick tips. Just a quick tips. Actually, if you want to create a UI application, you can use Canva for the free elements. And also, this is the splash screen that I made. Just simple, just and then get started, continue next, and get started. And then this is the login page and also the main page of this, which I took reference from many websites that use the login screen, like for the email or login with Google or Facebook, and also the option if for sign up if you don't have an account. And also for the main screen, I show the hour and also the prayers time, and also the features such as Quran, Zikir, Qibla, artikel and all. And also in below there is kajian online too, and the other menus. And then for the screen that I have is prayer schedule, Qibla Kompas, and also the article. For the prayer schedule, it took me a lot of time because to setting the icons and also to align the hours and also the element property, and then also the Qibla Kompas. Actually, this is not I took from Flaticon or some of others, but this is created by myself. For the compass, like the circle and the triangle one, I created by myself. And also for the article, I took some image from Unsplash and also added some text. Okay, and then for the Islamic studies one is that I will say in the future I use some of the Islamic YouTube channel like Ustadz Nuzikri, Ustadz Firanda, and other more Ustadz, and there's option see more, and then also list of zikir and prayer, morning evening prayers and all. And also this is the screen when you open some of the zikir prayers. Okay, and then for the typography, this is the colors that I use. I forgot to enter the hex of the color, but for the Quran Go logo, I use MBF Kano the font, and also for the main font, is that I use Passion Jakarta, and some of the login screen that I made is I am using font Product Sense. Okay, I think that's just a short explanation about this app UI Muslim app. And also I will say that why is this the best project, because when in 8th grade I say that uh, last teacher Mr. Angga gave me a reward as for the best Muslim UI app. The reward is Parfum, yeah. Okay, and then the second is some of illustration that I made in Figma. So for the illustration is that I create this factoring. So this is the first time I learned factoring. Is that I learned it through searching image from Pinterest and also using some Korean man for the factoring example. And this is probably the most good factor that I've seen. And then for the last one is I will explain a lot of this bird. Why is this bird have so many story in it? So I will explain this bird. So this bird changed my life, but not exactly all my life. So basically, this bird I found on Pinterest is some of the factoring that I made, and also this created a lot of story because I sometimes use this bird as the material for teaching, like in SMK when I teaching SMK with Shamil and Rafi. I use this bird to teach SMK how to make a simple factoring. But the, the but the bird is not like this, yeah. Okay, and then in the conclusion, in conclusion, oh, mm, in conclusion, okay, I will explain because the minute is not that many. I will explain this bird. Okay, when I'm teaching SMK, I use this bird for material explanation, and also when in teaching SMK, I also use this bird. So basically, this bird right here is not just a simple illustration, but it's illustration that changed my life. So basically, why this bird changed my life? Because it's just simple, yeah. Just using rectangle, just using a rectangle and also change the border option and also copy the rectangle and also just simple I with the what the name paruh, ya, paruh. And also yeah, maybe this is for the illustration. Okay, and for the last, no, this is not thank you. So basically I will explain more about behind this, behind me, or maybe this, yeah. So basically, this is not still thank you, but I would say I make this mascot right here. It's not exactly me. I use this. I made this illustration of me using Figma and using some reference that I accidentally found in wait in Pinterest. So basically, this mascot, not this mascot, this illustration I use sometimes for YouTube. Just some short story. My thumbnail that I create is not that good, like the Kodular or maybe Islamic speech, and sometimes it's used all in Canva. But since I made this illustration right here, this illustration of me, I changed the style of my thumbnail using this person to make the thumbnail more look interactive. And also, this illustration I use is for LinkedIn. Later I will create a lot, and then I will say this is created in Figma and find the reference in Pinterest. Okay, okay, and maybe that's all for me. But before that, the conclusion is I have two best project. The first one is Quran Go, a simple UI Muslim app that I made in Figma using reference from Pinterest and also using simple fonts. And then the second project, the best project, is illustration, the factoring illustration that I made, and also bird illustration. And for the last is this illustration. Okay, this illustration about me. You can see right here, like just some short. This example behind this the illustration I've made. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all for my best project. I hope you enjoy. And also, thank you for the attention. I am sorry if I have any mistakes. The last I say, my name is Muhammad Agil Pradana. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.